In a time when the boundaries between our world and the realm of magic were still fluid, there was a mystical creature that ruled the skies, the Sky Dragon. But one day, it vanished without a trace, leaving behind only a mystery. A young adventurer, armed with nothing but his courage and a mysterious map, ventured into the Forbidden Lands. On his quest to find the lost dragon, he stumbled upon an artifact hidden deep within an ancient forest. It was no ordinary weapon, but a drone, the dragon's drone. Ancient texts foretold that whoever could master its flight would wield the power of the skies. With trembling hands and a racing heart, the adventurer activated the drone. Instantly, it rose majestically into the air. But this was no ordinary flight. The drone glowed with an otherworldly light as it soared through the clouds, as if it were searching for something. The adventurer felt the dragon's power flow through the device. It was as though he was connected to the creature itself. Suddenly, a mighty roar shattered the silence of the skies. The Sky Dragon had awakened. Far beyond the mountains, it appeared on the horizon, its vast wings stretching to claim the heavens. Yet it was not hostile. Instead, it let the adventurer, guided by the drone, draw closer. It was the drone that had summoned it. Together they flew on, exploring the endless expanse of the skies. And so, the young adventurer became the dragon's keeper. The drone, that magical relic, remained his key to the skies. What he would discover next lay in the stars. But the legend of the dragon lived on, in every flight he took.